Warning: your big attention is required, as your life is about to change forever after this video. Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first cloud-based AI app that clones and migrates websites on your domain, entirely including all its contents, images, videos, static pages, media files, themes, plugins, forms, templates, and much more, just with a URL in less than 60 seconds. And the best part? In just 2 clicks, you can sell these high-in-demand cloned websites on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa, while earning $500 to $1,000 per website on complete autopilot. Or you can even start your very own AI website cloning agency and charge people any amount for cloning websites on their domain. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, with the rapid advancement and growth in technology, people are now 42 times more glued to their phones and laptops, constantly surfing the internet and browsing successful websites every day and night. As a result, the demand for successful websites keeps rising, with no signs of slowing down. And because of this massive surge, the website cloning and migrating industry isn't just thriving, it's booming like never before. Here are some facts. The website cloning and migration industry is worth $7.8 billion and is projected to reach $13.4 billion by 2027. More than 560,000 successful websites are cloned and migrated entirely to other domains daily. Currently, there are more than 259 million entirely cloned successful websites in the world. An average website cloning agency owner on Fiverr earns at least $50,000 per year. Hence, there is no doubt why cloning, migrating, and selling successful websites is the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the website cloning and migrating industry, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, cloning and migrating websites with all its contents to other domains is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Cloning any website just with the URL requires advanced coding and technical knowledge. And buying expensive third-party website cloning platforms could easily cost you at least $597 per month. And hiring expensive freelancers for this job could easily cost you $10,000s of dollars, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way, where you can entirely clone and migrate successful websites to your domain without spending a single dime? Introducing OneCloner AI, the world's first cloud-based AI app that clones and migrates any website on your domain, just with a URL in less than 60 seconds. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. In just 2 clicks, you can sell these high-in-demand cloned websites on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa while earning $500 to $1,000 per website on complete autopilot. Or you can even start your very own AI website, cloning agency, and charge people any amount for cloning websites on their domain. Finally, this groundbreaking 2024 AI tech lets you clone and migrate any website on your domain in less than 60 seconds. Instantly migrate all the website's contents, including images, videos, pages, media files, databases, templates, themes, and much more. Effortlessly customize and edit the cloned websites and pages with built-in world-class website editor. Schedule and download real-time daily website backups. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Clone and host unlimited websites on our ultra-blazing fast servers with 100% uptime guarantee. Pick from over 1,000 plus jaw-dropping AI website templates across various categories, all done for you. Select your perfect fit from 500 plus done for you stunning theme templates. One-click AI content generation. Instantly create an ad. Jaw-dropping AI contents like images, videos, music, and more to your cloned websites. Add CTAs, opt-in forms, exit pop-ups, and more to websites you clone. Built-in copywriter. Generate high-converting sales copies, blog posts, and articles for your cloned websites and skyrocket your traffic and sales instantly. Increase your cloned website's loading time by 10x with the one-click image and video optimization tool. Secure your websites against hackers, malware, and viruses with our built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology. Built-in automatic device responsiveness This ensures the website looks good on various devices: desktops, tablets, smartphones. Built-in analytics tool lets you track the website live performance. Built-in free SSL certificate integration for secure data transmission. And built-in AI assistant instantly alerts you to real cyber attacks and malware and reveals what your site's missing. And the best part? You can get all this done in under 60 seconds, just with your voice command prompts. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of cloning and migrating websites on your own. Say goodbye to the expensive coders and freelancers. And finally, stop spending your hard-earned money on useless third-party website cloning and migrating apps. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary website cloning and migrating app while driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, OneCloner AI is a brand new game-changing AI revolution in the website industry that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Enter the URL of the website that you want to clone on your domain. Step 2. Clone and migrate. OneCloner AI effortlessly clones and migrates the complete website entirely along with all contents in less than 60 seconds. Step 3. Sell and profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand cloned websites on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa, while earning $500 to $1,000 per website on complete autopilot. Or start your very own AI site, cloning and migrating agency, and charge people any amount you want. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you clone and migrate any website on your domain in under 60 seconds? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to SiteClone AI just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then, do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision. Anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of OneCloner AI, the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.